Hello student, myself is Dilip Gupta, your chemistry teachers. Today's we are going to be continued. Our chapter is some basic concept of chemistry and today's is fifth lecture of some basic concept of chemistry. So we are going to be practice on some questions which are related with the significant figures. Okay, so question is how many significant figures in given below questions. Okay, so 4 5 6 7 we have already discussed that the all non digits are called the significant figure. So there are four significant figures, so 4 5 6 7 meters, that is the four significant figure. Now 6.07 kg, so we have already discussed that the 0 which comes inside the two digits, so are including the 0 in a significant figure. So 6.07 kg is a three significant figure. So 22.300 having 2 3 4 5 5 significant figure, because after the decimal 0 will be counted in significant figure, because I have just discussed in previous lectures, lecture number 4th. Or okay, now 0.0075 meters having the two significant figure, because it will go to the exponential form. So 7.5 into 10 power 2 to 3, 10 power minus 3, so the significant figure will be 2. 670 gram, not clear whether it is significant or not, because 0 can be mentioned or not. Okay, if mentioned then 3, if not mentioned 6.7, then we will count. So depending on how can you write. Okay, now 4.2 into 10 power minus 3 meter, that is the two significant figure, exponential form will be not counted in significant figure. Now significant figure in calculation, we are going to be calculate how to calculate the significant figure. The uncertainty of the last digit of measured value affect the result of calculation. If the calculations will be not proper, then your significant figure will be wrong. Okay, so there are some rules which you can apply and check your answers. So example, that is the room having the length and breadth. Okay, length having 8.3 meter, breadth having 6.6 meter. Area of the room will be length into length multiplied by breadth. So the answer will be 54.78 meter square, which are uncertain. Okay, why uncertain? Because its second value are not second digit are not mentioned here, because 8.3 6.6, so 6.60 67 63 61 not mentioned, so second digit are not certain, so these are uncertain. Now for calculating it, how can we calculate exact significant figure? So come to the another point, that is the so the length of the room could be anything between the 8.2 meter and 8.4 meter. Okay, 8.2 meter and 8.4 meter, and breadth could be between 6.5, means 6.5 is minimum and 6.7 is 6.7 meter is maximum. So between these number will be lie, either length or breadth. Okay, then there are two possibilities. Smallest possible value of area will be 8.3, the list will be 8.2 into 6.6, not clear here. Okay, so 6.5 will be taken, so multiplied 53.30 meter square. Okay, 53.30. Once again let us see, we have two possibility, that is the smallest possible value, that is 8.2 instead of 8.3, and 6.5 instead of 6.6, because we are taking the smallest possible value. So the area will be 53.30 meter square. Now the second is largest possible, means increase one, that is 8.4 meter and 6.7 meter. When the area will be calculated, multiplied 56.28 meter square. Okay, now thus there is uncertainty in second digit itself. Okay, so the room should contains only two significant digits. The area of the room should be reported as 55 meter square. Okay, after rounding off 54.78 to two significant number, 54.78 just close to the 55 meter square, and these are the two significant number, two significant figure, so the area will be 55 meter square. Okay, thank you.